is Saidal Akbari, and we're here to talk to you about our project. As part of our class project, we have researched and prepared a new business model that CH2 Hill, a major architectural, engineering, and construction company, can implement as a new service offered to their customers.
BIM Collaboration Solution. This solution is a combination of a platform as a service and knowledge as a service. At its most basic level, the platform offers ubiquitous access to project documents and information. Project team members can access the platform interface regardless of device or location, which links to the master project documents on a cloud-based server managed and operated by CH2M Hill. The platform also offers management of information flow and communication throughout the lifecycle of a BIM project. This is facilitated by defining the roles and responsibilities of team members by means of actor classifications and relationships. The ontology of the system is based on best practices surrounding different project delivery methods and can be customized for unique cases. The platform also offers facilitation and management of BIM tool interoperability with respect to the vast array of BIM software that may be used by different project team members. Deeper value in the BIM collaboration solution lies in the ability of CH2M Hill to offer customer-centric solutions and tailored insights and address the long tail of sales. It achieves this in part by allowing for platform customization and scalability based on scope of use and project complexity. Another approach to the customization is the ability for customers to request or even develop applications that supplement the current platform. Another key offering of the solution is business enablement by means of informed insight into project and business processes. By use of this customer-centric consultation and advice, users can optimize their project-related processes in order to achieve better results. By extending the knowledge service beyond the life of a project, CH2M Hill can also offer ongoing advice and consultation services related to AEC business processes. In very much the same realm as business enablement, the BIM collaboration solution offers knowledge supply chain management services on both the project and organization scope. This is essentially using knowledge supply chain management on a project basis, assessing the combination of knowledge assets from all the firms on a project, optimizing this combination by making suggestions, and finally offering to supplement the collective project knowledge assets, either during a firm's involvement in a project or even after the scope of work is complete. CH2M Hill can offer knowledge supply chain management services to that firm on an organizational level.
The primary focus of the proposed model is the owner of the facility or infrastructure project. In this case, the owners are categorized into two groups, namely the developing owners and the operating owners. By targeting customers throughout the various stages of a project's life cycle, our business model represents forward thinking with the potential to generate longer-lasting revenue streams. There are also secondary customer segments targeted by our business model. These include the consultants, which are the architects, engineers, and other project team members. The value offered by our services to the consultants generally includes greater project collaboration, design coordination, and an enhanced flow of information throughout the design stages of the project. Another example of secondary customer segments are the contractors or fabricators. The value offered by our services to the contractors and fabricators is similar to those offered to the consultants. However, the value is offered during the tendering and construction stages of the contract.
The approach to raise awareness for the BIM collaboration solution is to leverage CH2M Hill's extensive existing connections and contacts because it is already a proven firm with a strong existing stature in the industry. Also, a section on CH2M Hill's website is a crucial tool to which representatives can direct potential customers. If a potential customer is interested in the BIM collaboration solution, they will be directed to a sales representative. With the aid of the entire sales department, this person is responsible for providing more detailed project-centric and customer-centric value propositions. Once a project is underway, a dedicated project manager is assigned and is responsible for the project, acting as a primary contact for the customer and external project team members. Finally, the most crucial channel for delivering value to the customer is the platform itself. The use of the platform by the customer and the project team members offers them access to much of the value propositions. The strategies used to develop and maintain customer relationships influence overall customer experience. In general, the primary approach is dedicated personal assistance. Due to the high net worth that most individual customers represent, it is very important to build and maintain personalized relationships. Automated services types of approaches to customer relationships are also used. This approach allows customers and potential customers the ability to engage in a relationship at their own leisure and access information instantly and automatically as they need it. The primary area of key activities is the management and delivery of the knowledge services. This includes the management and development of CH2M Hill's internal knowledge assets, including human resources, and knowledge supply chain, which is vital to all value propositions. A vital component of CH2M Hill's key activities is the management and delivery of the platform services. This includes tasks supporting the basic operations of the platform itself, analytics and dissemination of project data with respect to both active and past projects is also a key activity leading to value creation.
One of our most important resources is the knowledge assets, including human resources. The teams of people with different knowledge bases come together to offer a customized solution for the customer. Our knowledge resources are integrated together to create the next most important resource, the main collaborating platform and its IT support. This platform is not only used to facilitate the collaboration, but it is also used to collect data and information which is to be used for analytics. This is yet another key resources, the bank project data and information, which includes lessons learned and statistics that are collected on projects over the years. Our key partners are introduced to take on processes that are not primary to our offering, but are required to deliver our value. A very important key partner are the customers themselves. They are a primary source of data and information used to analyze and complement CH2M Hill's knowledge base. A second group of key partners are the suppliers and consultants within the AEC industry. The suppliers input information to the platform on the latest products in use in today's industry, while the consultants offer their review and opinions of common practices, product ratings, and preferred methods. A third group of key partners are industry organizations in locations worldwide, which are important to stay in touch with the marketplace and important developments and changes in the industry. Finally, a fourth important key partner is Cloud IT Infrastructure Service, which offers a robust and scalable network infrastructure since our solutions are largely based on cloud computing.
The revenue streams generated within the business model are largely dependent on the complexity of the project and the scope of essential services. The revenue stream comes from consultations and advice offered specifically to the platform and how it is applicable to the specific project. An extension to this service and therefore revenue stream is business and technical consultation to each individual customer related to their own internal processes. The revenues for the implementation and use of the platform will generally come from the owner in the form of a usage fee for the platform.
The proposed business model for the BIM collaboration solution is a value-driven business model. The most important costs incurred while operating under our business model are related to the two key aspects of our service, which include knowledge aspect and the platform aspect.
The value propositions, which vary in characteristics between platform as a service and knowledge as a service, are delivered to the customer through the various distribution channels that have distinct approaches to customer relations. Revenue is provided back to CH2M Hill in exchange for the delivery of this value. Key activities, resources, and partners are essential to support the creation of value, and associated costs are incurred. The integration of these different aspects results in the formation of a unique business model defining the BIM collaboration solution.
We would now like to show you how each component of the business model is interconnected by building a framework of the business. As previously mentioned, our services are largely based on our knowledge asset and the management of our knowledge supply chain. This is the basis of the business model and value. Knowledge is essentially human-centered, which explains why people are a valued resource. Looking at the individual, each person on a team has experience within a specific field or industry in which they have an expert insight. Combining this with information that is obtained from various sources, the individual can develop knowledge that can be shared within a group or team. When you implement an IT infrastructure combined with several processes that interconnect all of these individuals, a learning organization is created. Each organization will have a specific focus within an industry. For example, One organization or team may have vast knowledge of the architectural, engineering, or construction industry, while another organization may focus their knowledge within the real estate market in a given area. Furthermore, the primary focus of yet another organization may be IT infrastructure and software development, and so on. Each organization offers a bit of knowledge that feeds into another, and finally into a database, which is used to offer the best suited solution to the customer. This is the knowledge supply chain and our knowledge as a service. The next component of the framework is the platform. The platform offered as a service is essentially our knowledge that has been packaged to extend value to the customers. The platform, which contains all project data current and archived, not only supports the project but also feeds data into our analytics to generate a variety of information to be reviewed by each learning organization. Additionally, each learning organization gathers data from the AEC and other industries for comparison and review. On a given project, the customers, which consist of the owner, consultants, contractors, and even the operating and maintenance team, have direct interaction with the platform. Depending on their scope of work on the project, each customer segment will have limited or full viewing and content authoring capabilities. Then there are the external stakeholders, such as the building department, that have the ability to log into the platform with limited access to view only certain aspects of the project. In this case, they would have the ability to offer general comments and feedback for review by the other customer segments. As previously mentioned, our platform is not the only point of contact with the customers. Each customer or group of customers is aligned with an account manager or project manager that will guide them with a more personalized and customized experience, offering tailored advice to the customers on either a project or business level. On a project level, the project manager may consult with the owner regarding the best way to customize the platform and project processes based on project complexities and also on the technical background of the consultants. Some of the questions that might be considered are: how many users will require access? Who are the different consultants on the project? What software solutions are they using so that we may implement a proper solution for interoperability? On a business level, the project manager may consult with the individual customers, including the owner, regarding internal business and technical processes. Some of the questions that might be considered here are: how can each customer work more efficiently, more productively? What business practices do they need to modify or implement? What software solutions are best suited for their scope of work? This is the general framework of the business model, which shows how value is delivered to the customer.
In conclusion, the BIM collaboration solution offers customers a means to improve project and business processes. It is part of a vision for the future of the construction industry, one which integrates cutting-edge technology, employs efficient and knowledge-retaining processes, and has a global mindset.